Hey, boom. So, we got 2 left to go, and we is done. Okay. So, let's go in. We're gonna unravel. And we're gonna get our hot herbs. And get that scalping. And get that little bowl too while you at it. Why not? But anyways, while we getting this hydrated, we have a little chit chat. Have you ever had people who don't want to see you do good keep coming at you? Like who does that? Why do people like to see people down? I don't understand that. I don't get that. Okay, so it's like this, right? We're gonna go in. We're all softy. Make sure it's super hold. Super. I'm gonna put my shirt up, honey. Ain't got time. Now we're gonna go in, get it nice and hydrated. Oh, snaps. And you see how it's looking? It's looking all crazy and stuff. Remember, all you gotta do is just take your time. Take your time, take your time, honey, take your time. These are the ends of your hair. So I'm kind of glad that this is like this so you can see what I'm working with. It looks impossible, right? Honey, get your gel, submerge that thing. Give her a good little massage. Wear her with your warm herbs, honey. And just work, just work. Just take your time. Don't rush. What you rushing for? Just take your time. It will come together. You'll pull through, and this is gonna be all bunched up. Watch. So that is the bottom part. We're gonna do this top part first. Unravel, 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 unravel. It's gonna come to like this crazy looking stuff, right? It's all because of one piece of little hair. That's all. That is all. And then just work at it. Just work. Work. And once you got that like a little piece out, just keep going. Keep going. Take your time. And sometimes all you have to do is just keep untwisting most of the time. And I repeat, this is the only way it's like this is because I neglected my hair. I didn't retwist it like I was supposed to. Worrying about other things that's not serving me. So, when that happens, this happens. Okay. So my point is, do what you gotta do. Okay. You gotta keep on. Let's get some more hot herbs. Okay, remember these are your ends, so these are going to be the oldest part of your hair. Get some more gel of the protein gel. Rub that mug through, honey. Remember, this is just the top section. Okay. Practice makes perfect. But keep working at it. Or if you gotta go up, go up. Go that way. You know what I mean? And once you find that hair that is stuck, that just solves the whole problem, there you go. Okay. Now we're gonna work. I'm gonna keep on stroking. Okay. This is a in detail breakdown, takedown, lock, rejuvenation. Okay. You see that? And just keep on. Once you got your knot, wherever that knot is, pull the hairs, go above it. Put your finger in there and separate the hairs. If you have to do it individually, do that. If you want less breakage and you want results, take your time. If you got to rush to do your hair, don't do your hair. And remember to always do your hair in high vibration, or anybody's hair. When you're high vibing, things, they just come, they flow. It's there. Here's another one. The bottom piece. Since it's cold, warm that mug up, honey. Give your locks TLC. And do the same thing. We're gonna make sure each section is hydrated. And you will only get like a little knot like that. That was already dead. So, you see how this is already, like, and all I did was just put the gel on. Gel. Okay, so now that we got the gel, take off your hair. This is your excess hair. Okay. Set that to the side. Get your castor oil. Remember, whatever medicines you can eat orally, it's good for your hair and skin too. And we're gonna rub it in, get that into your scalp. See how much I'm pouring? Pour as much as you need. Once your hair starts soaking in this stuff, you gonna know. Your hair's gonna feel different. It's gonna feel strong. You'll see. Rub that mug in. You see how that... I didn't even comb my hair. I didn't even comb it. Okay? We're gonna half it. And we're going to twist. Twist, twist, twist. But make sure it's going to look all nasty and stuff. Let me clear this for you so you can see it. Okay. So you see how I got it in the middle? Try aiming for that. Every time you do your mini twist, aim for the middle. And just twist. Once you feel some hairs kind of like, it feel like it needs to be combed, do the same thing, but just do it with one hand. The same way you detangled the whole piece or half a piece, do the same thing to get the best look out of your mini twist. Detangle that mug. Don't just keep twisting. And since it's on this side, and I normally like braiding on this side or twisting on this side, I'm gonna hold it directly the way it's supposed to land. It's supposed to come down, but I'm gonna hold it going like towards the back. I'm gonna twist while holding it backwards, so when it does fall, it'll fall down like over here. When I do it from like over here and twist, it stays that way, if that makes sense. So twist this way towards the back. Okay. Okay, let me get all this extra stuff off my hands. And we're just gonna finish. And then after this one, I got that last one to go, and I'm done. The more time you spend on your hair and your technique that works, it's like it'll be your go-to. Your go-to style. You can keep your hair preserved long as like, say, put it this way. You keep your hair like this for the entire year and only probably take it down probably 2 times just to wash it and to put it back. You know how long your hair is going to be? It's going to be long. Within that 1 year, because, and you're using these good old herbs that makes your hair grow. Your scalp is going to be healthy because you're not overwashing it, or you're not over drying it because you're not washing your hair. Yeah. The last part will be the final part. Bye, y'all.